Welcome to our Trimble Connect tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Trimble Connect. From signing in, to uploading your first model, sharing projects with your team, and managing versions in the cloud. Step 1. What you need before you start. Before diving into Trimble Connect, make sure you have 3 things ready. First, a valid SketchUp subscription. This gives you access to Trimble Connect as part of your plan. Second, a Trimble ID. This is the account you use to sign in to SketchUp and all Trimble services. And third, a stable internet connection. Trimble Connect is cloud-based, so a reliable connection is essential for uploading, syncing, and collaborating on your projects. Step 2. Sign in to SketchUp with your Trimble ID. Open SketchUp Pro and sign in using your Trimble credentials. This is the same account you use across all Trimble services, including Trimble Connect. If you run into access issues, maybe you see a message saying your subscription isn't recognized, try signing out completely and signing back in. That usually resolves most authentication hiccups. Step 3. Open the Trimble Connect panel. Once you're signed in, you need to access the Trimble Connect interface. Go to the Extensions menu and look for Trimble Connect. If it's not visible, open Extension Manager and make sure it's enabled. The panel should appear on the side of your workspace, giving you direct access to your cloud projects without leaving SketchUp. Step 4. Understand the project structure. Trimble Connect organizes everything around projects. Each project is like a container that holds all of your folders and files for a particular job. Inside a project, you can create folders for different disciplines: architecture, structural, MEP, whatever makes sense for your workflow. A good rule of thumb: create one Connect project per real-world job. This keeps things clean and easy to navigate. Step 5. Create or join a Trimble Connect project. You can set up a new project either through the web browser at connect.trimble.com or directly from the SketchUp panel. Give it a clear name and decide early on who gets edit versus view-only permissions. Getting the permissions right from the start saves confusion later, especially on larger teams. Step 6. Upload your SketchUp model. Once your project is ready, it's time to upload your .skp file. Uploading preserves your version history in the cloud, so you can always go back to an earlier version if needed. One important tip: always save your file locally first. That way you have a working backup on your machine and Trimble Connect has the cloud copy. Step 7. Open a model from Trimble Connect. To work on a cloud-hosted file, browse to it in the Connect panel and choose Open Model. This pulls the latest version directly from the cloud into your SketchUp session. Use this approach when you want the cloud-hosted version to be your single source of truth, especially useful when multiple people are working on the same project. Step 8. Update the model and create versions. After making changes to your model, save your work and upload a new version to Trimble Connect. Each upload creates a snapshot that you can refer back to later. A helpful habit: add a short note to your changelog describing what you changed, something like updated kitchen layout or revised roof pitch. It gives your future self and your team useful context. Step 9. Use the browser viewer for feedback. Trimble Connect includes a powerful browser-based viewer at connect.trimble.com. This is where your team can review models, leave comments, and coordinate across disciplines, all without needing SketchUp installed. Send reviewers and clients to the web viewer for comments and markup. It's a much smoother feedback loop than passing files back and forth over email. Step 10. Share the project with others. To collaborate, invite team members by email and assign the appropriate permission level. You can give people edit access if they need to modify files, or view-only access for clients and stakeholders who just need to review. A word of caution: keep client permissions limited. View-only is usually the safest choice to avoid accidental deletions or unwanted changes. Step 11. Common troubleshooting. If something isn't working as expected, here are the most common fixes. Can't see your projects? Sign out and sign back in. Panel not loading? Check your internet connection and make sure the extension is enabled in Extension Manager. Files not syncing? Make sure you're connected to the right project and that your subscription is active. Most issues are resolved by simply signing out and back in. It's the first thing to try. Step 12. Your recommended daily workflow. Here's a clean 5-step cycle for everyday project collaboration. 1. Open SketchUp and sign in. 2. Open your model from Trimble Connect. 3. Make your changes and save locally. 4. Upload the updated version to the cloud. 5. Notify your team or check for comments in the browser viewer. Repeat this cycle at each project milestone and you'll have a reliable, version-controlled workflow. And that's it, you're all set. Start collaborating with Trimble Connect today. Upload, share, and manage your SketchUp projects in the cloud. If you need help along the way, the iRender team is always here for you. Visit www.irender.co.za or drop us a line. Happy modeling!